17 on application of percentages to real life situation reads that 800 people attended a rally. 40% are men. 80% of the number of men are women. The rest are children. We are to find the number of men, women, and children. Express the number of children as a percentage of the number of women. Wow. Let's see how we can solve this problem. No matter how trickish it may sound, just like I said, the first step in solving a problem is understanding the problem. So, solution. Let's fish out the parameters as given. Total number of persons that attended the rally are said to be 18. So we have total number to be equal to 800. Then percentage of men. We said percentage of men. Men are said to be 40%. And 80% of the number of men are women. Percentage of women are said to be 80% of men. So for us to get the number of women, we must first of all know the number of men. The rest are children. We should find the number of men, women, and children. Okay, so percentage of children will be equal to 100% minus 40% plus 80% of men. That will give us the percentage that are said to be children. But first of all, let's get the percentage, the number of men, then we can get the number of women, and then that will easily give us the number of children. So percentage of men now that attended the rally, they are said to be 40% of 800. And these two zeros will cancel these two zeros. This is equal to 40 times 8 is said to be 320. So 320 persons or 320 men attended that rally. Women, we are told, is equal to 80% of men. So 80% of men is said to be this. This will cancel. So we have 32 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16, carry 1. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1, 25. So we have 256 women in that rally. And we are told that the rest are children. So for us to get the children, I said it is equals to the number of total number minus men plus women. So we have it to be 800 minus 320, which is men, plus 256, which is for women. So if we are to calculate the total number of adults in that rally, we have 320 plus 256. This becomes 675. So number of children are said to be 800 minus 576. So if you subtract 800 minus 576, you will get, this is 7, 9, 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So the total number of children in attendance are said to be 224. So, having gotten the total number of men, women, and children, we are asked to express the number of children as a percentage of the number of women. So, number of children as a percentage of the number of women can be said to be equal to number of children, which is 224, divided by the number of women, which is 256, times 100 over 1. And when you simplify this using your calculator, this is said to be 0.875 times 100. This is equal to 87.5%. So, number of children as a percentage of number of women can be said to be 87.5%. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on application of percentages to real life situation.